All animals fall somewhere on the food chain of nature, but some interspecies relationships are a bit harder to gauge. Today's question for our Pet Vet on call: will cats eat moles?
Sure, if they're hungry. Little rodents like these are a cat's natural nutrition staple. It's full of protein, amino acids, and taurine that cats need for natural, good, balanced meals. But if they're not hungry, if they're fat, well-fed, sassy, they won't necessarily eat them. They'll bring them home to you. So always remember to thank your kitty for the sustenance he shares with you.
And that was a pretty good question. And we invite questions from anyone. If you have one, just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Ava Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. Now let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this adult male short-haired cat, and his name is Goliath. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have a female 8-month-old Chihuahua Terrier mix. Her name is Pee-wee. And if you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society? Short-haired cat named Goliath.
Yeah, maybe it's a little plump.